That is the message Arsenal fans have been sending to Francis Coquelin after news broke in Spain that the midfielder had suffered a season-ending injury. Coquelin spent 10 years at Arsenal before leaving in January when he completed a switch to La Liga outfit Valencia. The France midfielder has had a good start to life at the Mestalla, but his season has now come to an early end following an injury suffered in training. Valencia announced on Friday that the 26-year-old had injured his Achilles and that he would undergo surgery before the end of the day. A statement on their website said, "Francis Coquelin has suffered a ruptured Achilles tendon in his right leg during training this morning at the Ciudad Esportiva de Paterna. The footballer will undergo a surgical intervention in the next hours." The official Arsenal account tweeted their best wishes to Coquelin in response, and the club's fans have also been showing their support for their former player.